Hi there, my name is Taryn Hartle, and are you thinking about being an actor and you want to portray as a character who is a British person? Well, I'm just going to teach you how to speak or talk in a British accent. Well, right now I'm talking in American accent, and that's what you're hearing. Because people who are in England or in the United Kingdom, they speak a different accent, which I really learned how to talk like that. So, here's how it goes. If you want to know how to speak in a British accent, this is how it goes. With an American, it's I or ah. But in British, it's I and the other one is ah. Because it's going pretty well. Because that's how it sounds different. Why aren't you laughing? That's the American accent. But in a British accent, instead of I, it's I. But instead of ah, it's ah. Now let's say it in a British accent. Why aren't you laughing? Oh yes, and don't forget this one. Instead of R, it's ah. Why aren't you laughing? Why aren't you laughing? Why aren't you laughing? Why aren't you laughing? You see how it goes? Instead of, so in American, it's O, and it's ah. But in British, instead of O, it's O, and instead of all, it's all. And instead of A, it's A. Go play with a ball. Go play with a ball. And now let's see it in British. Go play with a ball. Go play with a ball. Instead of, in American, it's I. In British, it's oi. Now let's see in British. Go play with the ball or maybe toys. Or something. Go play with the ball or maybe toys or something. Go play with a ball or toys or something. See? This is really good tutorial. Instead of up, it's up. Instead of wood, it's wood. That's what in British is. So, well, in American it's E. But in British, instead of E, it's A. And now we say it. Would you like a cup of tea? 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 You see how it goes? That's exactly how you talk in a British accent when you're portraying as a British person in TV series or even a movie. You like this tutorial? If you like this tutorial video, hit the like below. And don't forget to subscribe to me on my YouTube channel. And always, keep it Hartle.